Hi, I'm Hannah Howard Bink. I'm Senior Director of Digital Marketing and Operations at Scaled Agile. Scaled Agile creates the Scaled Agile Framework. Many companies started doing Agile in small software development teams 20 years ago. And that's great for small teams, but what if you're an enterprise? We invented a way to scale Agile for enterprises. Teams of 100 people, 1,000 people, 10,000 people. So now there's a standard way that you can get all the benefits of Agile without all the chaos. Scaled Agile Framework, or Scaled Agile as a company, started about 10 years ago as an idea. A lot of companies were trying to get benefits from Agile, but not quite sure how that worked at a company the size of MetLife, for instance. So over time, an organic framework was built, giving free guidance to the world on how to get this value without turning their company upside down. Today, it's the leading framework worldwide for scaling Agile. In addition to the Scaled Agile Framework, we also have a treasure trove of knowledge and guidance and online learning for people beyond the classroom. Most people start with taking a class, getting a certification, but then what? After your 2 days, 3 days in class, you now have a job to do. That online portal, called the Scaled Agile Community Platform, allows people to download toolkits, take online learning, watch informational series, on-demand learning at the moment they need it to do their jobs and excel in an Agile environment. So it's really interesting. All day today, I've been hearing companies say, well, we're not a technology company. We're not a technology company. But if you dig just a little bit, it's very clear that almost all insurance companies are technology companies. You may be selling peace of mind, but you're creating online platforms, you are selling customer experiences, you're even developing things in-house to help your own company move faster and be more efficient. You're a technology company. And if you want to compete in the 21st century, you need to start talking like one. If you'd like to learn more, or you're just getting started, check out scaledagileparamework.com. If you'd like to learn about how to scale safe at your organization, visit scaledagile.com/safe enterprise.